So one of the other things I've been working on, I've been doing is been practicing my hydroponic growing to see. So I got this fish tank, got some little fishies in there, some goldfish and stuff. And then I just started growing the plants up on top. Thought I'd try it on a small scale to see how it worked out, to see kind of the way it worked out, to see how effective it was in growing the plants. And these plants up here have been growing for probably about a week, and they just shot up real quick. I didn't expect them to grow that fast because nothing else I have ever planted has ever grown very good. So far so good, right? So we're gonna keep checking it and seeing how the plants do and if they get much taller and stuff, and then how tasty they are really is the other question. So we've got some radishes and then some wheatgrass in here. I don't like vegetables. I'm not a very big vegetable guy. Wife likes them a lot more than me, so I probably, doesn't matter what they are, I will not eat them unless it was like fries and steak and cheeseburgers. Then I'd be growing them like crazy. It'd be awesome. I'd be planting 100,000 of these and have like a 1,000-gallon tank with tons of plants on top. But it's just green leafy stuff for me. I'm probably not gonna eat it, but it works for other people, so I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
Well, I'm going to prepare the delicious salad, and this is the ingredients that we're using. We have wheatgrass, we have the radish microgreen, we have carrots, we have tomatoes, and we have onions. And Anna, please tell us what's the benefit about wheatgrass and the radish microgreen, please.
So the radish microgreens and the wheatgrass can help you eliminate the toxins. It can help with arthritis. It can help with diabetes. It can help with your digestion. It can boost your metabolism. It can lower your cholesterol. It can boost your immune system. It can give you your energy. And it can also improve your cognitive function. These plants can do lots of things that are helpful.
Thanks, Anna. Well, and now I'm going to prepare cutting the ingredients. This is delicious.
Yep, that is true. And the amazing part is that we grew like almost all of our ingredients here in our very own house. We grew the radish microgreens, the tomatoes, and the wheatgrass here. We used the two plants, the radish microgreens and the wheatgrass. We grew them in our grow tank, which turned out to take 2 weeks. And it's a meal for 2 people. And now we just have to wait 2 more weeks to eat more.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and
see you in the next video.
And like.
Bye.